Hello, Matt here from Toyota Danville. Today we're looking at a 2000 Bluebird bus. This thing was a local trade-in here at Toyota Danville. It has 161,000 miles. It has a 5.9 liter Cummins diesel engine, Allison transmission. Real clean bus, cruise control, seating for 29 passengers plus one driver. Cruise control. Real clean seats, all reclining.
Till the river runs dry, like a bird upon the well. These waters
New interstate batteries, new alternator, new brakes, all four wheels, new ABS sensors, dual AC units have just recently been charged, all new fluids and filters, two new steer tires, new wiper assembly and blades, also has a ladder in the back and a new fire extinguisher. If you have any questions, please call Matt, 402-239-4239. Thanks and have a great day.